I made these for a fast treat today. And that is chocolate covered cherries Hershey. These are Hershey white chocolate. This is walnut and chocolate, Hershey's chocolate. And this is white Hershey's chocolate and walnuts. Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. All I did was melt the chocolate and dip the stuff in it. Thanks for watching Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. And you can also find me on Facebook at Tanya Marie Fugate. This is a quick, easy dessert or a snack, either one. Thanks for watching. Bye.